Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to install Play Store on iPhone. First open Safari, then tap Store icon. Tap Hi or the Play Store icon and tap Save to Photos. After that, go to the shortcut app. Tap on the plus icon on the top right. Then go to the web, like this. Tap on open URLs, then tap https double point, then double slash play point google.com. After that, tap on the blue plus. Then go to the home of shortcut and tap here on open URLs. Then tap share. Then tap add to home screen. Tap on image and then choose photo. Tap choose. Then go to the sample and tap Play Store. Finally, tap to add. Here is the Play Store app. You can tap on it. So this is the app. Here you can see all the games of Android, and that's it. Follow for more tutorials.